Lincoln 215 MP here. Unit keeps resetting. This one is under warranty, so we're gonna replace the board. Funny thing about these are, I got two of them back to back, is that Lincoln is actually wanting the board back because they want to fix this resetting kink. And if you also want to check if your unit's under warranty, you can look at this serial number right here. The first letter and number is just location. The second and third number is the year. So that's one way to tell. And I've had complaints about fans not working, but only one runs all the time, and the second fan is fan on demand. So once it reaches a certain temperature, it'll turn on. So don't worry about that. And yeah, catch you guys later.